Hello everyone. I am showing you in this video how you can set up the remote desktop to use the Office Suite software. The first thing that you would need to do to set up remote desktop is to go to the WATC Student Resources folder located in Online Learning. In this folder you will find Remote Desktop Instructions for Students. This document will tell you which server you need to use for your specific program to log on. So you will need to look at that first before you begin this. Now I'm going to bring you over onto my own desktop and look at setting up the remote desktop. So here I am on my desktop and I'm going down to the Start menu. I'm running Windows 7, so this may be a bit different in the newest version of Windows, Windows 8. It is similar. You would need to search for the remote desktop program, download it, and then access it. So I go to the Start menu. I'm looking at all programs. Next, I'm going to the accessories from that Start menu. In there, I will find the ability to set up the remote desktop. Right here's my icon. First thing that pops up is a remote desktop connection. Here's where you will need to put in your specific server that you use for your program. I'm going to go ahead and connect. Somewhat ignoring these errors by just saying yes to them. The remote computer at this time does not have the certificate required to make it verify. It is safe, so just go ahead and say yes to this. And what I'm seeing now is the ability to log on to remote desktop. I'll go ahead and say OK. I'm going to use my same username and password that I would use if I was logging into Angel or on campus. So here I go. What has happened on my desktop at this time is I have got logged into the remote desktop and I now have access to all the programs for the Office Suite. Do realize that this is a computer that is remote. You're basically logging into a campus computer. And you do have programs specific to your program in here. I'm going to go to the Microsoft Office folder. And in there I have access to every program. So our first project is working in Microsoft Word. I'm going to go ahead and launch that. And notice that I now have the Word program open. Now, when I save a document out here, I will have to pay attention to where it's going. So I'm going to do that real quick. I'm just going to File, Save, and by default, it is going to take me to the Documents folder. Notice that's where it's putting it at. Once I have my document all done for my project, I will go out and from the remote desktop log on to my IT lab and submit the assignment, then check my grade by viewing the submission, and last but not least, redo the assignment or fix it and send it back up there. I hope this has been helpful to you. This is Tammy Carlisle, assisting my students that are accessing the remote desktop. Have a great day.